It's summertime and it's Ampalaya season here in Chalwan, at the garden, or here at the kitchen. That's why it's Ampalaya again, but it's restaurant level. Join me here at the kitchen for some learning and fun. Yes, that's true, it's Ampalaya season here, that's why, although we are at the kitchen today, I'm cooking something with Ampalaya. Ampalaya con carne, or beef with Ampalaya. By the way, welcome to Channel 1 and thank you for joining me here today. Special thanks to our viewers from the Philippines, in the US, Canada and the UK. And if I miss your countries, from all of you who are watching from the countries I didn't mention, please comment below and I'll give you a shout out. Special greetings next episode. Very simple ingredients. We only need this. The suggested proportion in the description box below. Let's start preparing the ingredients. We need to slice the beef in 2 thin slices, preferably bite size. We will be elevating this to restaurant level, so we are adding oyster sauce. Stir fry tastes better with oyster sauce. In addition to that, I'll be adding cornstarch to the sliced beef as I marinate them in salt. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon so that you won't miss any similar uploads happening every Friday. Let's set this aside for now and we'll work on the ampalaya. At first I thought of making half moon cuts. That's why I sliced the ampalaya into 3 portions. But for diagonal slice, it's better to cut the ampalaya entirely, lengthwise. And don't forget to remove the seeds. It tastes bitter than the ampalaya itself. What I've learned at home is to rub the sliced ampalaya with salt to reduce its bitterness and then massage it. I won't do that because massaging the ampalaya with salt ruins its texture. So I'd rather just immerse it in salt solution. Same effect. There's even an option. If you want your ampalaya to be bitter, or if you're sure it's not bitter, you can skip the procedure. But for certainty, I'll do that. No rubbing, I'm just mixing. Ideally, dissolve the salt in water first and immerse the ampalaya. Let's set this also aside and we can prepare the rest of the ingredients. Just the onion and the garlic. Very easy. For that restaurant look, I'll cut the onion into bigger slices. Petal-like. As I mentioned earlier, we are elevating this to restaurant level. So we are adding oyster sauce to the dish. At home, what I learned or what I will serve is simply soy sauce. But it's elevated. The proportion is 2 parts oyster sauce, 1 part soy sauce, and 1 part sugar. So 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 2 parts oyster sauce, 1 part soy sauce, and 1 part sugar. I think this is the best dish to encourage children to eating ampalaya because it's got meat in it. Beef flavor goes perfectly with vegetables. I don't know. Beef with broccoli is very popular. With pichay, name more. Now, beef with ampalaya. I'm not a professional cook. I don't understand the need for the cornstarch. Do you know? Really, I don't know. Besides thickening the sauce later on, I don't know the reason why I had to flour the sliced beef. Let's fry the beef now. It's no longer pink, so we can add the onions and garlic. No more drips, so we add the ampalaya. You can bring this dish into 2 directions, either half cooked or fully cooked. You should have cooked this for more than 5 minutes. I can add the mixture, the seasoning now. That's it. How easy can that be? To be honest, it's a bit salty. Reduce salt. I should have measured the soy sauce well. I should have been easy with salt in the marinade. But it's delicious. It's really delicious, and it's time to serve our beef with ampalaya. Ampalaya con carne, or beef with ampalaya, from our fresh harvest. Do it at home. Thank you for watching your Kuya today, your uncle and Kuya here, Romero. Until next time, and see you on the next videos, either from here at our little kitchen or from the garden. Diyos sa Angina.